Let's go!
Alright guys, so today is the day for our first of 6 weekend wrap-ups this year. There are open houses at the shop. We're doing a different theme for each one, and we love to brand everything, so let me show you how we get these done. So the first step is to pick a car for the theme. So obviously you guys have seen Grant's 992 epic cup car, so we figured, you know what, the first theme, since we just finished that, should sort of be GT racing. We went ahead and obviously got his car looking right. We got the space looking right, we'll go see that. But we made custom skate decks of his livery. So we just used the mock-up that we send for approval, really, and we're making limited numbers of these. So these are gonna probably sell out fast based on the responses that we got. We also did a few shirts, like event-specific shirts. So we have this one in white and also in black. These came out pretty sick too. Also got a nice sweet hat, Prime GT, looking clean. Let's go look at the shop real quick. For the party, what we're doing is basically just opening up the floor. So we got a GT3 Cup car here that has not been started. So we wanted to show how the cars come in. We'll put it on quick jacks, wheels off. And then we have Grant's completed car over here. And we're gonna make it like the cam car's chasing it. So we printed a pretty sweet Apex decal. It's gonna be sick. These events, we're trying to make them more like mini art installations. So when you come here, it's not just cars parked. It's cars that kind of look cool doing stuff. So GT3 RS, and then here is Grant's finished GT3 Cup car. Looks sick, and this is kind of the color palette that is inspired all the merch, inspired the dirt bike, inspired a bunch of stuff to really make the shop look whole for tonight, that it is following a theme. We're still working on finishing the organization of this. The event's in about 8 hours, so we got plenty of time. But check this out, dude. Like I said, we love branding stuff. What cooler way to match Grant's car than do a custom decal kit on the dirt bike? So this is actually gonna be one of the style of products that our new company is gonna be doing a ton of. So we figured, you know what? Let's get the first one out here on the bike, ready to rip. For tonight, we kept it pretty open in here because I think we're gonna do ping pong. The World Ping Pong Championship is tonight. Just for showing up, we're already super appreciative of you guys. So all night we just want to be giving away sticker packs. And again, these are a custom sticker pack just for this event. So it's like, I think 8 stickers. I think that's pretty cool. Each event will have its own thing. Kind of like a small collector's pack, I guess, but everything's super low run, super limited. And I think that'll be cool to, you know, come here every other month, grab a cool little packet of merch and skate decks and stuff like that. So that's epic. We are also doing a $2,000 gift card giveaway. So that requires you to do nothing besides come here, have a good time, grab a ticket at the door, which is completely free. And then a few hours later, we'll pick a winner for the $2,000 gift card for your next project at Prime. So that's anything vehicle wrap related, anything media related, anything print related, branding related. We know a ton of people have small businesses as well as just like to have fun. So we are trying to offer a really cool thing for you guys. Another thing, we're also just having a car show, front and rear parking lots. Best to show, 300 bucks. We go to car shows all the time and there's no cash prize. We build cars, we know how much it takes. So for someone to kind of be flattered and validated with a little bit of cash, I think goes a long way. And then the last prize is we're always hiring. We're always looking for the next awesome person to join our team. So I figured, what better way to search for a shooter editor role like we are right now than to give $250 away for the best 30-second recap video. So that's someone that carries a skill set in video, is having a ton of fun, and is really confident in themselves to send the video our way to take a look at. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna show you the last few steps before the party, all the way up through the party. So hopefully you guys like this, and then any suggestions, leave them down below because we are not professionals. We just like to throw parties and do our thing. But if you guys have cool ideas, things to add for next time, better ways to do things, leave it down below. 100% I'll read it and make it happen. Thanks. So obviously we got to get the whole fascia of the building right. So we're getting all the parking bumpers clean. It's worth the investment. You know, it's worth the investment to figure out how many people would show up for something like this, how to do it best. But you have one first impression. So for those of you guys who have not been to the new Prime, we want it to look the absolute best for you. So the trust continues. Let's get it. I literally have a flat tire on every vehicle I own.
Alright. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Do you feel prepared?
Yeah. I do. You?
You brought your car today.
Yeah, just in case. Yeah.
In case what?
In case it's in the show.
Probably a good 100 people here. We feel so lucky to have all of you guys supporting us and this party. Dude, I don't know if they saw this yet. Check this out, guys. The Apex is on the ground. It looks so sick. Yeah, tons of good conversations already. Everyone seems to be having a good time. I got a few changes for next time. But overall, couldn't be happier with the turnout. The team absolutely killed it. We're just going to keep hanging out. I think there's talks of a ping pong tournament, so...
Get the whiteboard down so we can make the bracket.
Oh,
that's how serious it is.
Out of line?
What's your best car? What's the best car here? Like, what would you pick?
That's tough, dude.
Front and rear.
The RB Power Skyline. No, the red one.
We kind of do it all here, and we love every part of it. So whatever project you guys might have, we're going to be stoked on it as much as you are. So yeah, now's that time. And we got our friend Clear here going to pull his ticket, dude.
He's already pulled it.
Hold it.
Okay.
1, 2, 9, 8.
Oh, we see one lucky winner. Give me. Let's go, dude.
Is it a matching ticket?
I'd really hate if I was wrong.
Let's see it. It's a fake. No. He's good.
That's it.
And what's your name? Sean. Yep.
All right, guys, let's give a big round of applause to Sean, who just won $2,000 here at Project Priime. Hell yeah, bro.
Appreciate it.
All right, guys, so that does it for our first ever weekend wrap up. We are beyond